This is a very simple ribbon pattern. I call it twin shells. To crochet this pattern, start with a slip knot or with a twisted loop, whichever you prefer. I will do a twisted loop. Now chain 4. Now take a stitch marker and put it over the chains like this. Slip stitch in the first chain, then chain 3. Now go into the center of the ring and do 3 double crochets. So we have the chains and 3 double crochets. Now chain 2. And do 4 more double crochets in this ring. Now chain 3. And turn your work. Yarn over and do 1 double crochet in this very first stitch at the base of the chains. Next, yarn over and do 4 double crochets in this chain 2 space. Now chain 2, yarn over and do 4 more double crochets in the same space. So these are the twin shells. Now yarn over, go into this last stitch of the last double crochet and do 1 double crochet. Yarn over and do another double crochet in the upper chain, which is right here. Chain 3, turn your work. Now we'll start the repeat row. Do 1 double crochet in the very first stitch, yarn over, go into the chain 2 space and do 4 double crochets, now chain 2, yarn over and do 4 more double crochets in the same space. Now yarn over and go into the stitch of this third double crochet. So this is the fourth, this is the third, and do 1 double crochet here. Then yarn over and do another double crochet in the stitch of this last fourth double crochet. And this is how it looks. Let's do 1 more row. Chain 3, turn your work, yarn over, go into the first stitch, do 1 double crochet, yarn over, go into the chain 2 space and do 4 double crochets, chain 2, yarn over and do 4 more double crochets, now yarn over and go into the stitch of the third double crochet here and do 1 double crochet, yarn over and do another double crochet in the stitch of the last fourth double crochet, this is how this pattern looks. So I called it twin shells because it has these two shells on each row. These are on the front and this is the back of them. Now this is a headband that I made with this pattern. This is how it looks. I just sewed the ends together. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.